How to control iPhone camera from Mac. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, you're going to learn how to control your iPhone camera directly from your Mac. Whether you are looking to improve your video quality for meetings or want to record it with your iPhone while using your Mac as a controller, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your requirements. iPhone with iOS 16 or later, Mac with Mac OS Ventura or later, same Apple ID on both devices with two-factor authentication, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on for both devices. Step 2. Enable continuity camera. No need to install anything, it's built-in. Just unlock your iPhone and place it near your Mac. Open an app on Mac like QuickTime, Zoom or FaceTime. Step 3. Select the iPhone as the camera source. In QuickTime, go to File, New Movie Recording. Click the arrow next to Record the button. Select your iPhone as the camera. Step 4. Adjust and use. You can now record or use the iPhone camera for Zoom, Google Meet, and more. Mount your iPhone using a stand or tripod for stability. Optional tip. Use shortcuts or trigger photos. On the iPhone, create a shortcut to take a photo and save or airdrop. Run the shortcut from Mac using the Shortcut app. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to control your iPhone camera from your Mac. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.